Hello everyone, I am Namrata Kudav from English speaking course Shiroda, and today we are going to discuss on very interesting topic. Here are two students and they will talk on one debate, and debate topic I will give them later. First they will introduce themselves. Okay, start.
Hello friend, good evening. My name is Vijay Sandeep Kavle. I am 19 years old and I have completed my diploma in mechanical engineering.
Okay Vijay, next.
Hello friends, my name is Shivapriya Prasad Pandey and I have completed 12th from Commerce Stream.
Okay, Vijay and Shivapriya, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so your debate topic is veg food versus non-veg food. Okay, so you have to talk which food is good, which food is better to have, and you have to put your views. Okay, as per your views, which food is good. So start first from Vijay. Vijay, take.
As per my view, non-veg food is better because in non-veg food there is a lots of protein and vitamin B is present, which is helpful to human body to maintain stamina level.
Okay, because of stamina level, we should eat non-veg food.
Yes.
Okay, next.
I agree with your point, but in veg food there are lower level of saturated fat, animal protein and cholesterol, as well as higher level of magnesium, potassium, antioxidants and carbohydrates. That's why veg food is good for our health.
Okay. That ingredients include in veg food. So we should give priority to veg food.
Your point is correct, but when we require more energy, then most of the people give first preference to the non-veg food. For example, gymmer, worker and worker and sportsman give first preference to the non-veg food.
Yeah, his point is correct, because means for the more energy, we must eat non-veg food. He also gave the examples, players, gymmer.
Yes.
Very next.
I agree with your point, but if we are suffering from any disease, that time doctor suggest us to take veg food, because veg food is lightweight and easy to digest.
Yes, means if we suffering from any disease, then we should take veg food because it's easy to digest. So what's your opinion?
So there is one option to take non-veg in lightweight quantity.
Yeah, yes, he gave solution on this problem.
You are telling correct, but if God function are there, that time we give first preference to veg food, because God's
Not like to non-veg.
non-veg.
Yes, yes. Since childhood we are watching that when God function is there, that time we are making only veg food. Yes, no. Next, what's your opinion?
But at the time of party, picnic and traveling,
Correct.
most of the people eat non-veg food.
Yes, when we go outside for travel picnic, then we ordered only non-veg, no?
Non-veg food.
Yes.
I agree with your point, but if our home and guest come suddenly, that time we prepare easily and quickly veg food, because veg food ingredients available in our home.
Yeah. Easy to prepare and take less time. Yes, no?
But in non-veg, there is a lots of variety compared to veg food. For example, chicken, meat, egg, fish. There is a lots of varieties in non-veg food.
Means we can make business.
Yes.
No, meat selling, egg selling, fish selling, and whatever.
Your point is correct, but in veg food also many varieties are there, and we also make business and earn money by selling grocery and vegetables.
Yes. Also, we can earn money from the veg food.
In non-veg food, there is a lots of source of iron. So iron is important to body to keep blood deficiency and to smooth functioning of brain, as well as it is important to calcium. So calcium is important to skeletal system as well as teeth.
Yes. He has told good advantage of the non-veg food.
Yes.
What is your opinion?
I I agree with your point, but if animal or bird suffering from any disease and there's meat we eat, that time we also
Yeah.
suffering from this disease,
Yeah.
and it's harmful for our body.
It's very dangerous, to our body. Yes, no?
But non-vegetarian body repairs itself, means repairs of tissues and cells of human body.
Yeah. Correct. Non-vegetarian repair itself.
Yes.
Body repair itself. Yeah. So finish, no? You have, okay, you want to say?
Your point is correct, but a vegetarian also recover and repair their body by taking veg food.
Yeah. So you have spoken very well. It was very nice and good discussion. It was very healthy discussion. And the end of this session, I would conclude the two lines that shortly, there is no doubt veg food is good for our body, but also non-veg food make us body very strong and energetic. So both foods are important. It maintain our diet, it maintain our body. So again I am telling, you have spoken very well and it was very nice discussion. Thank you.